Hey, it's me, Rob, and you guessed it. I'm back on International Drive here in Orlando for another update video. I got some more news about this building behind me. I just looked at this yesterday. And then we're gonna walk from the point pretty much, which is right back there, all the way to Icon Park, which is right that way. And I'm gonna show you guys some stuff along the way, some of my favorite places, and just highlight a few things as we walk back toward Icon Park. So come hang out. I'll show you some stuff. Okay, so I was here just yesterday, and I told you guys this is gonna be a prison island escape room, which is still true. It's right over here at Trolley Stop 18 between Wonderworks and the iFly indoor skydiving. But the new news, the update for you guys today is that it looks like there's also gonna be a Chipotle in here. Yeah, iDrive's getting a Chipotle. Yeah. They're shooting for October. I don't know if they're gonna be able to pull that off, but that's what it said on the internet. So they're trying to open in October. So add this to the list of frequent updates for iDrive. Just a quick reminder for you guys, we do have an ice bar here in Orlando. The ice bar is down here right next to Miller's. And it's open nightly, Monday through Wednesday, 5 to 12, Sunday and Thursday, 5 to 1 a.m., and Friday and Saturday, 5 to 2 a.m. If you guys have never been to the ice bar, just beware, it's pretty cold in there. It's around 22 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not converting it to Celsius for the international guests. Y'all can do the math yourself. They got glowing blue lighting, carved ice sculptures, an ice throne, and an ice bar top. The bar is ice. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. It's gonna cost you between $20 and $60 a person, depending on the package. This includes entry and drinks. And it also has around a 4.5 star rating online with over 3,000 reviews. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time talking about it, but I know Miller's is a popular spot here on iDrive. I didn't see anything online for any like current specials they have for this specific location, but it does say they have a happy hour 4 to 7, and then a late night specials from 10 p.m. to close. So, keep that in mind. The next spot on the update today on iDrive is by Trolley Stop 17. We're gonna take a look at Fin Asian Taste. Fin Asian Taste is a Thai Asian fusion restaurant, and it's known for Thai curries, noodle dishes, stir fries, and sushi style appetizers. They also have a lot of vegetarian style options as well. For entrees over here, you're looking at 14 to 20 bucks for like the pad thai, drunken noodles, fried rice, 16 to 22 for the curries, and 18 to 24 for stir fries with beef and shrimp. Your appetizer between 6 and 10, 10 and 14, depending on what tier of appetizer you're getting, and 3 to 5 for soft drinks, and 7 to 12 for beers. If you're a big nerd like me, don't forget, we got Anime World down here. It's right next to Domino's and Subway, just around the corner from TGI Fridays. Yeah, if you're an anime guy like me, come check this out. I've been in here a few times. They have a lot of cards, a lot of boxes, a lot of figurines. They have some cool like neon lights. This place is pretty fun. Hey, don't forget, TGI Fridays is closed. This is gonna be at Portillo's. Yeah. I don't know when. It just says completion TBA. Yeah, Bahama Breeze is still open. I talked about this on yesterday's update. No official date for when this is gonna go or what restaurant it is gonna be converted into. But for now, Bahama Breeze is open. There is a 24-hour Denny's over here. Yeah, it's open 24 hours. Although you shouldn't go here. You should go to Waffle House or First Watch instead. I'm gonna take a quick pit stop here at Boston Lobster Feast. This is by Trolley Stop 15. I wanted to show you guys that they have a lobster roll takeout window. You can get lobster rolls for $19.95. They say that if you put $19.95 instead of $20, that it makes people feel like they're not spending as much money. But I don't know about you guys, that drives me bonkers. Just say it's 20 bucks. This is the entryway right here. And then right over here is the lobster rolls takeout window. Boston Lobster Shack to go. They got all these different lobster rolls here, all for the same price. They do have a shrimp salad roll for $15. Also looks like they got some lobster bisque, New England clam chowder, and you can add soup to a lobster roll for just $5. I came here around the corner. I spotted these as I was about to walk by. These are the old lobster mobiles, man. They drive these things around. They got these big old lobsters on top of them. I've seen them drive by a couple of times, but I've never had the option to really look at one before. Look at this. That is so cool. And then back over here, beside the gift shop and next to Mia's, which is actually the last place we're gonna talk about on today's video, used to be a Spirit Halloween. Well, last year it was a Spirit Halloween. I know Spirit Halloweens aren't open year round. I was expecting it to be a Spirit Halloween again this year, and maybe it will be. But as of right now, there's no plans for this vacant space. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this and see if anything's gonna go in here anytime soon. Okay, Mia's is the last stop on today's video. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the artwork on the outside of the building and tell you about their fantastic happy hour. This place on the inside is actually a lot nicer than you would think. I'm not saying I expected it to be like a dive, and I don't feel like I have to wear like a suit in there, but it's nicer inside than I thought it would be. And I love this artwork out here. This is really cool in the gondolas. So they got sandwiches and pastas and all that stuff here, pizzas, but I'm not gonna tell you guys about that stuff today. You can get online, you can look at the menu yourself. No, I'm just here to highlight their bar bites during their happy hour. So from noon to, I think 7, and I'll double check this, but I believe it's noon to 7, is their bar bites specials in the bar area. You can, for $5, get a personal size pizza or a meatball slider or a chicken parmesan slider, known as gravy, or potato wedges that are like pizza style for $5. Come in here, grab you a drink, get a bar bite at a minimum. The food is fantastic. All right, so Icon Park's not that much further up. I just wanted to show you guys some stuff between Icon Park and the Point. Hopefully that'll help some of you guys if you're interested in any of those things. All right, well, I had a good enough time. Yeah. Anyways, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys next time.